Unboxing time. Today we're going to look at an item I picked up off of Amazon. I'm going to show, I bought two of these. This is one of them that's still in the box. It hasn't been opened yet. These come in wrapped in plastic, which is great. These are Bluetooth headphones, by the way, so I'll talk a little bit more about them. But that's what they look like. This one I've already opened, so you pull the plastic off of it. And this is what was inside of the box. Nice little owner's booklet, talks about how to pair them up. The warranty, customer contact if you have any questions or need any help with these. So really lots of details and very easy to pair up. I had no problems pairing these. The sound quality has been great on them. The battery life's been great on them. The company that makes them is Nerunsa. Nerunsa, maybe? I'm pronouncing that correctly, maybe. Not sure, but anyway, these are the D60 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. What's great about them is, this is just some of the packaging materials, but I'll show, this is what they look like coming out of the box. I have used these. In terms of accessories, you do get a charging cable. So that's what your charging cable looks like. USB on one end, and Type-C on the other. The other thing is you get some extra earbud pieces in case you lose any of them or they wear out on you. So that was a nice little add-in by the company. But I'll show, I'm gonna try and do this. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed today. What I like about these is when you open them, you have a screen that shows you how much power you have in the earphones. And when you take them out and you pair them up, they do have a little light. I'm not sure if my camera is gonna focus in on it, but there's a light that comes on, like when maybe it'll show up when you put it in the case. You know, when they're charging, there's a little red light, blue light on the end of the headphones that just kind of at least gives you an indication if they're paired, if they're charging. But also, again, I like the digital screen on the case because it doesn't leave me guessing how much power is left in them. I can see exactly that I'm at 39%. So that's the way they look in here. I'll just give you, again, a closer look at them. Very comfortable, great sound quality. It's just hard for my camera to focus on these things because they're tiny. And again, there is that little light on the side of them where you can see if they're paired up or not. They go into the case very easily. The case opens and closes very easily. And again, the battery life on them has been great. So this is just a quick unboxing. If any of you pick these up and have any other questions, I can answer about them. Or if you're thinking about it, picking some up, throw your comments or throw your questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Also, I'll put a description on exactly what the item is and how you can find these on Amazon if you're interested. Thanks so much.